Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French avec moi. Je suis Séverine, votre French coach. Hello and welcome to Speak French avec moi. I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Today a fun lesson, so you will find the transcript on my website, speakfrenchavecmoi.com. You can also follow my Facebook page, and wherever you are in the world, don't forget to subscribe. Today, let's have fun, and I'm about to speak French. Le champagne, okay? I hope you will have some champagne, and even if you're alone, you should have some. Champagne. Le champagne. Here you have another semivowel. The sound is en. En is made by opening your mouth wide, and you want to have your tongue in the back of your mouth. En. The tongue is in the bottom. En. Mouth is wide open. En. Try to make a, en. A, en. Le champagne. And then at the end of champagne, you have the new sound made with G and N. New. Le champagne. Well, after champagne, I think it would be nice to have some chocolate. So, in French, we said le chocolat. Le chocolat. Chocolat. Again, the sound A in French is high pitch. You want to open your mouth wide. A. The tongue is in the back of your mouth, not touching your teeth and the bottom. A. Le chocolat. And in French, we don't have long and short vowels. Everything is short. Chocolat. And if you're in France, to buy chocolat, you go to the chocolatier. We don't say chocolatier, chocolatier. Chocolatier. You buy chocolat or chocolatier. And a box of chocolates, une boîte de chocolat. Une boîte de chocolat. Boîte is box. The sound is wa, like in what. Une boîte de chocolat. Okay, so we have le champagne, la boîte de chocolat. Now I think we're missing some flowers here, so let's try to say une rose. Rose. So to make the R sound, if it's very hard for you, first thing you can do, I know it's something odd, try to gargle, right? With a glass of water, don't choke, gargle. And then from there, okay, try to make it without gargling. Rose. O. So the O sound is make like olive. You want to round your mouth. O. Bring and purse your lips together. Une rose. Donc, we have le champagne, la boîte de chocolat, une rose. Maybe you want a bunch of roses. In this case, you say un bouquet de roses. Un bouquet de roses. Bouquet in French means a bunch of, right? It's all different in English. So, un bouquet. Ou, the son ou. OU makes the sound ou. Un bouquet de roses. We don't say bouquet, bouquet. ET makes the sound E. To make the sound E, you want to stretch your lips. They are half closed. E. Tongue is in the back. E. Un bouquet de roses. Great, so we have everything. Champagne, une boîte de chocolat, un bouquet de roses. Now let's try to say a few words. L'amour. L'amour means love. Actually, it means the love. Amour is love. It's the sound ou. A is high pitch. Amour. Ou. Okay, again, we don't have short and long, only short sounds in French. Amour. L'amour. Mon chéri. Mon chéri. So I'm not talking about chocolate candies here. It means my darling. So let's talk about the mon at the beginning. Here we have another semi-vowel sound, which is on. To make on, you want to make o with your mouth. O, on. Can you feel it? O, on. On. The air goes through the nose. On. Mon chéri. Okay, not en. On. Lips are pursed together like O. Mon chéri. Now, something you should know in French, possessive adjectives, they don't agree with the possessor. They agree with what or who is possessed, kind of saying. So here, mon chéri, it's to address a man. Because chéri is masculine, so you would say mon, mon chéri. Now, we have ma chérie. Ma chérie, because chérie here is feminine. It will be a woman. Ma chérie. I will make a podcast later about possessive adjectives so you understand more. Mon chéri if it's a man. Ma chérie if it's a woman. Now if you want to send someone a little kiss, un bisou. Un bisou. It's spelled B-I-S-O-U. And S between two vowels in French makes the sound Z. Un bisou. Just like kiss, like a little kiss, like a pucker. Un bisou. And if you want to say a kiss for you, un bisou pour toi. Pour is for toi. Toi is you. Pour toi. Now, if you want to call someone my love, mon amour. Mon amour. In French, we link words together. So, amour starts with a vowel and mon ends with N, so you will link the words together. Mon amour. Mon amour. And here you don't have to agree. Mon amour could be for a man or for a woman. Now you can call someone my heart. Mon cœur. So here we have a very interesting sound. To make the sound right, mouth is wide open. Not close. Not close. Mon cœur. Same. Mon cœur is always masculine, even if you talk to a woman. Mon cœur means my heart. Mon cœur. Now, let's say that you want to say I love you. So in French, we don't say I love you. We said I, you, love. Yes, I, you, love. Je t'aime. So je is I, T apostrophe is you, and M is love. Now, why T apostrophe? Because we cannot put two words together when they have a vowels. So the real word is T, but since we have M that comes after, we drop the E and we put the apostrophe. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. To make the sound here, you want to open your mouth wide and it's a little low pitch. Je t'aime. Je t'aime. And now if you're really in love and maybe you are fiancé, it's a French word. Maybe you want to marry someone, so if you want to ask, do you want to marry me? In French, it would be, veux-tu m'épouser? Veux-tu m'épouser? Veux-tu is do you want? Tu veux is you want. Veux-tu is do you want? M stands for me. Okay, and again, as a je t'aime, it's M-E, me, but since épouser starts with a vowel, you're going to drop the E in M apostrophe. Épouser is marry. So in French, we said, veux-tu m'épouser? Voilà, c'est la fin. So stay tuned for the next episode coming soon. Of course, as mentioned before, feel free to check my Facebook page and you have the transcript on my website. Merci, à bientôt, au revoir.
Bonne idée.